Hi, Roger with Dean Supply here. We're talking about the Convotherm OES 610 Mini Combi. This is a great little unit. It's 24 inches wide, 29 inches high, and 32 inches deep. It's a boiler-free unit, so there's nothing to the scale, and there's no boiler to fail or call a service call. You still need water line, drain line, and electric, but it still runs without a boiler and runs really well. It's mounted on 4-inch adjustable legs. It's got a 2-piece door. So this glass comes apart, and this is a heat break, so the door doesn't get so hot. It just switches in like that. It's got a double drain trough, so any condensation that's on the window will fall into this trough, go down a hole here, go across this trough, and there's a hole here that goes out to the drain. It's got a multi-sensor probe, so there's 3 sensors in the probe. So if you put the probe into the food and it comes through, it still reads off of the coldest point of the sensor. The capacity is 3 half-size sheet pans or 3 2.5-inch deep hotel pans. It's got a slammable door, and it also has a 2-stage handle. So when you open the door once, it cracks the door. If there's any condensation inside, it comes up the top so it doesn't blow into the operator's face. And you do it again, and it opens up. Again, this is a combi, so it's 3 units in one. It's a convection steamer, it's a convection oven, and a combination of both. And when you're using that combination of both in the combi mode, when you're doing proteins and meats, it keeps the meat moist while the hot air caramelizes the outside. If you're doing breads from scratch, the steam will help the bread proof while the hot air will brown the outside, make a nice loaf of bread. The temperatures range from 82 to 482 degrees. It also comes with 250 recipes that are built into the unit that are editable, that you can either upload or download through a USB port. It's a great combi. You get the features of a full-size combi in a tiny little footprint, so you can do a lot of front of the house cooking, whether it's a kiosk or a food court. And then it's got a wide viewable window and a brushed stainless steel, so it looks nice on the counter. If you want more information, come see us at Dean Supply. We're the chef shop. Thanks.